Hi, this is Gary with AB&R, and today I want to talk about Zebra Technologies real-time location solutions, or RTLS for short, and how they impact the manufacturing world. So to meet customer demand and stay ahead of the competition, Zebra's purpose-built solutions span every aspect of manufacturing operations. Some of the initial areas that are impacted by manufacturing include automating material replenishment, locating supplies more quickly, expediting MRO decisions to make sure maintenance and calibration is done when needed, receive alerts automatically so you know when errors are happening or if you need new supplies, and you're able to manage that production from a flexible interface designed by Zebra Technologies. So the immediate benefits we're going to see in the manufacturing space, they include direct labor savings, shorter manufacturing time, right-sizing your inventory, less process time for manufacturing, and better decisions that can be made at the point of action. If you have any questions, please contact us. We're the RFID experts, so you don't have to be.